Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.
So in the last class, we did home screen and we did the coding and designing for Q1. Right? Also, we did coding for Q1. This was the coding. Okay. So now, let's, if anybody of you has any doubts while doing Q1 screen or has not done Q1 screen, don't worry. I'll do Q2 screen today, so you can follow my instructions again. Okay. So today we will make a Q2 screen, a question number 2. Okay. So first of all, we need to do the coding for this next. But before that, what we have to do? We will just duplicate this screen. So how will you duplicate the screen? How will you do? Just click on your Q1 screen. Go to its properties on the right hand side, and here it says save screen to my screens, the first icon. Click on it. When you do so, it is asking you to name your screen. So I will name it as Q1 only, because so that I will understand this is the copy of my Q1 screen. And then tap on save. I did. Your screen is saved now. So what you have to do? Now you have to simply make a new screen. And how do you make a new screen? By clicking on this plus button. When you click on it, now you are getting two options. Whether you want blank screen or you want to copy from my screens. So we don't want blank screen, so we want to copy. Choose that option and do next. Then it will give you all your saved screens. Choose that particular screen. We have only one for now. So click on that Q1 and do copy. So see, exactly new screen has come. And it has automatically given the name Q2. Right? Interesting? Easy to make. Okay, I'll repeat once again how to copy the screen. I'll just delete this. Okay, we were here till now. We have made the home screen and we have made the Q1 screen. Now we will save this screen. Okay, so that we can make exactly same screen in the question number 2. And how you will save this screen? Click on your screen Q1. Go on the right hand side. There is a first icon which says save screen to my screens. Click on it. When you do so, it will ask you to enter the name. Name your screen. So I'm naming it as Q1. Okay, and then click on save button. Done. After doing this, what has happened? We have saved our screen. Now we want to make a new screen. As usual, you will make the new screen by clicking on this plus button. Click on it and now it will give you two options, blank screen or copy from my screens. So we want to copy. So choose this option and then do next. Then after you do next, it will give you all saved screens, whatever screens you have saved so far. So choose your screen which you want to copy. Okay, since both the screens are same, I'll choose any one and do copy. Okay, so you can see a new screen has been created which has been automatically renamed to Q2. And see, it is exactly same. Even the coding gets copied. Everything is copied. So now your task is simple. You have to just do few changes. Okay. Okay, nice. So please show me thumbs up if everybody has saved their screens and made a new screen. Done. Okay. Good. Good job. Okay, fine. It's simple to save the screen. Just click on your screen and this is the first icon, the first the symbol which you can see. When you hover on it, you can see it says save screen to my screens. Click on it, give a name to your screen and do save. This is how you do save. Okay. Okay, so now let's proceed further. Quickly save your screen and create a screen. Okay, done. Okay, so shall we proceed further? Perfect. Okay, so what changes we have to do? Let's say now we are putting a different question. Instead of just asking what is this multiplied by this, now I am asking a question to identify the image. So what you will do, go to this question and change the question, write here question 2, change the question, it should be identify the image. Okay, so identify the image, that means your app should have an image to identify. So where you will be putting the image? In which component? Message me. Fast. Row? No, not at all row. Image component. Yes, that's the correct answer. Image component. So first drag and drop the image component on your screen. By default, all the components come at top. So bring them at the proper place, right under this label Q2, which is my label 3. So drag from left hand side and drop it. Also give some margin because the image is getting stick with the label. So I'll give some top margin as 20. Better. I can reduce these margins little. Instead of 50, I'll give it as 30. Okay, similarly, next button, I'll reduce the margin little because the components have got shrink bit. Better. Okay, now identify the image. So now I want to put the image, right? So what will you do? Download any image, whatever you want to identify from Google and upload it here. I already have the image. So what you will do, how you will upload it in this image component, click on the image, go to its properties. There is a property called picture. Click inside it. You will get the option to upload files. Click on it. Go to the place where your file is saved. Okay, go to the folder where your file is saved. And after doing so, it will say asset added. When I do preview, I will be able to see my picture. Okay. After doing these buttons, answers should be accordingly. Okay, I'll do this as sunflower, this as lily, and this as, yes, tell me any flower name. Okay, let's do rose. Let's make it simple. So I'll rename. Also, please rename the buttons. Okay, here I'll rename it as lily, which is the correct answer. So I'll also mention correct so that while doing coding, I'll remember. This is the sunflower. Okay, everybody do till here. Okay, you want me to share the image. Click on the button, write the text like sunflower, rename it to sunflower. Go on to the next button, write the text lily and rename it to as lily correct, which is the correct answer. Go to the third button, write the text as rose, rename it to rose. Okay, I will also rename. Okay, no need to rename this. So done, everybody. Okay, take 2 minutes time. How to upload photo? Click on the image component. On the right hand side of the image component, you will get its properties. There is a property called picture. Look at my screen. Picture. Click inside it. You will get the option to upload files. Click on upload files and go to the folder where you have saved your image. It might be in downloads. Okay, so go to that folder and choose your image. It will get added over here. Okay, so that's how you can upload the image in the image component. Done, everybody. Uploaded the image and renamed the buttons. Given the options according to your question. Shall I proceed further? Okay.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.